Hi everyone, today I'm going to be showing you this cool set of toys and building set of toys, and let's play with it. Here's a digger. Here's a small rolling cart. Here's a dump truck, and here's the set. Okay guys, so first I thought the dump truck got some rocks, so we're gonna go into the drive-in to put back all the rocks. Okay, now we just need to put this up, and then we need to take the dump truck down, and then we lower it back down. And do you guys want to count with me how much rocks we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. That's a lot of rocks. So we're gonna have to do this all on their own. So we're putting this up. First, we have the first rock. This is gonna go up and in there. Second rock. Up and in there, in the little basket kind of shape. Now we have a really long one. We're gonna put this in here, and I'm not sure if it's gonna fit in. It fit in perfectly. Now we have this one. It's really flat. It fits right in. We have this one. It's really small. Oh no, it got stuck. We're gonna have to put this back, and then we're gonna put it in. We have this. It's really, really small. It's the smallest one yet. It's so small that we can't even get it in, that it keeps falling out. Oh no, that was cool. We have the smallest one now. This looks like the smallest one that there's gonna be. That was a cool flip that it did before with the other one. But let's not try to do it again by breaking our set of cool toys. Now we have the last one. It's the smallest one. Now we can just take this back up, put this in. It got stuck. Also, it seems like all the small ones get stuck. We put this in here. Oh, we forgot one. We put this under there. Then we put in there. Then we take this. And then we put all of it. And then we take this. We put it all in the little construction. Now we put on the noises, and it's ready to go in here. And all the rocks go in there. And I wanted to try something really cool with you guys. So I was gonna put this person in here, right? And I was gonna do this under here. And I was gonna see if it can land inside of it. Oh. That was really close. Okay guys, I hope if you like this video, then you can like and subscribe. This was really fun playing with you guys, and you guys are really smart. See you in the next video. Bye.